If you are a blogger without the Blog-to-Bank Toolkit, you are missing out on vital monetization secrets that top performers are using to dominate the market and earn more money daily. One of the things we revealed in this book/toolkit is the insider data revenue multiplier that can significantly boost your earnings. Compare the standard blog approach with very low CPC to the BTB optimized strategy, which aims for much higher CPC rates. Stop writing for pennies, write for dollars. Discover the golden niches: real estate, health, and finance. These areas offer high-ticket commissions, specialized treatments with $30 plus CPC potential, and premium ad placements. The Q4 strategy is your seasonal multiplier. Learn the exact timing to triple your RPM during the high-spending fourth quarter season, as revealed in Chapter 13. Here is evidence of the scale achieved. I'm sharing the exact dashboard growth, from $0 to $5,000, using only the strategies detailed in this book. Visit the link in the description of this video or on my bio to see more. Get the private high-CPC niche list and the full blog-to-bank playbook now. This is beyond just AdSense. We also show you other ways to print money daily with your blog, with or without AdSense. So, I don't think you want to miss this, trust me. Your blog should be paying you every single day. This 22-chapter proven system works for any niche, in any country. Get the Blog-to-Bank book for $13.99 today.